Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and granting camera and microphone permissions. This lets Meet access hardware. Once signed in, open Meet. Google.com or click the Meet tab inside Gmail to save time. Choose New Meeting and then pick either Create Meeting for later, hand out the link, or start an instant meeting to join immediately. Make sure to name the calendar event if scheduling. Doing that keeps participants organized and reduces confusion about when to join. Once the room exists, you configure key settings so the session runs smoothly. You invite participants by copying the meeting link, adding attendees to the calendar event, or using the Add People button inside Meet. Next, set the video layout and enable captions if needed. Click Present Now to share your screen or a window with clear audio. Also, check host controls to mute participants, lock the meeting, and adjust safety settings so interruptions are minimized during the call. You manage the live session by using chat, raise hand, and polls to coordinate interactions without interrupting the speaker. When finished, you can end the meeting for everyone or simply leave. Record beforehand if you need a replay and participants' consent. If something goes wrong, first check microphone and speaker selection in Meet and your browser permissions, then reload the tab or switch to another device as needed. Finally, make sure participants have the correct link and browser version to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.